What next, man? People all over the world, over to the progress. Move fast, move quick, cause the shit's gonna go for some happiness. For some happiness. For some happiness. We're going through life changes, everybody. Shit's getting real. I'm now just checking my phone to see if my wife is telling me that we're having our baby. Yes.We.Si, y'all. Give it up for this man. It's not baby. You know? This is for y'all. Putting your hands high. I was writing songs about trying to get by. Stories about a young dude chilling on the front, niggas on the boombox, begging for a hot loot. What is doing? Had this weird and having loose hits. Talking body parts, doing dirty cold tricks. You got a full clip, screaming through the speaker, baby. And other MCs shut me up and they can make it, but they didn't know. Why is that so? If they so good, why they in my show? On the low fan, praying for both hands. Fuck the post, but if you go, listen with news there. Tell your lady this is lubricant for tight pants. A romantic novel, Aristotle, this hoping to make it rain.